In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change logo and favicon of your agency account in GoHighLevel. Before we jump in, a quick prep tip. Have your brand files ready. For your main logo, a transparent PNG in a horizontal layout usually looks best. Aim for a clear, high-resolution image that isn't too tall, so it fits nicely in the app header. For the favicon, use a small, square icon, typically 32 by 32 or 48 by 48 pixels, in PNG or ICO format. Keeping file sizes lean helps the app load quickly. Start by opening your GoHighLevel account. Make sure you're in the agency view, not inside a specific location or sub-account. If you see a location name at the top, use the account switcher to move into the agency level dashboard so the changes apply across your brand. Next, look to the bottom left of your screen for Settings. Click it to open the main configuration area. Inside Settings, choose Company. This is where your agency-wide details live, and it's the right place for branding updates that affect the platform's look and feel for your team and clients. Within Company, open the Whitelabel tab. This tab houses your visual branding controls. Here, you'll see the option to add or change your logo. Click Upload Logo, then select the logo file from your computer. Give it a moment to upload. You should see a preview appear. If the image looks stretched or fuzzy, try a wider version of your logo or a higher resolution PNG. If the edges look harsh on dark backgrounds, ensure your file has a transparent background rather than white. In the same Whitelabel area, you'll also find the favicon field. Upload your square icon using the same process. A simple, high-contrast mark, often just your brand initial or symbol, works best at tiny sizes. After the upload finishes, wait a few seconds for the preview to refresh. Once your files are in place, refresh the app to see the new branding in the Header and Browser tab. If you don't see the change immediately, clear your browser cache or open a private window. Some elements may take a few minutes to propagate. If your team uses multiple sub-accounts, remember that the agency-level branding controls the overall look, while individual locations can still have their own assets depending on your setup. That's all there is to it. Open your account, switch to Agency View, go to Settings, select Company, head into Whitelabel, and upload your logo and your favicon right there. With just a couple of clicks, your workspace will reflect your brand consistently across the platform.